Let's review how to share information in Wrike. In order to see a task, a space, a folder, or a project, it has to be shared with you first. So what you see in your workspace may be different from what your teammates see in theirs. Regular users can share tasks, folders, and projects. Also, they can share spaces if they have an admin role. Let's take a look at our marketing space. When you click this gear icon on the top right-hand corner and go to Settings, you can see the list of members of the space and their roles. If I click the field and search for Joanna, I can then add her to the space. I want Joanna to be able to share the space with other users and user groups, so I change her role to admin. Please note that you can't share a personal space, but you can share items in it. Now let's look at our creative folder. I click this small icon to open the folder info panel and go to the Shared With section. I can see that it's shared with one user and the creative user group. Items in Wrike can be shared with individual users or user groups. I can click the Add Participants by Name or Email field and start typing the name of the user or group to select and share the folder with. I can also right-click on my folder and select Share. For example, if I want to share my marketing folder with the product team, I select the group, save changes, and I'm done. Projects have similar sharing options. Another way to share a project is to assign an owner. If I assign Brian, the project will get shared with him. Another option to share work in Wrike is tagging. Tagging enables projects, folders, and tasks to live in multiple locations. This makes it easier for teams to collaborate and find work. For example, our marketing team might have a project that involves the creative team and the events team. So if the events team is working on a project, that should also be part of the creative team. And I can tag this project into both the events and creative team spaces. Click on the plus icon right here. Start typing the name of the space. Now my project is tagged in both spaces. I can easily remove spaces if needed. Another way to tag items is to drag and drop the folder or project onto the plus icon here. Now my project is tagged with both folders. People who had access to my creative team folder will have access to this project as well. Another way to share items is to @mention users or groups in the comments. Start with the @ sign and start typing the team name Creative. Now the creative team will receive a notification in their inbox, and this project is shared with them. Sharing tasks is similar to sharing folders and projects. We can also tag tasks with multiple folders. Share tasks by tagging individual users onto them, or add someone as a follower of a task or folder by clicking on the follow icon. If someone is following a task, folder, or project, it gets shared with them, and they will begin receiving all relevant updates.